In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix my Firefox extension not working. We will walk through a simple check and a quick restart so you can get your extension running again without digging through complicated settings or menus. First, you need to check if the extension is enabled. Click the menu button in Firefox, the three horizontal lines near the top right corner of the window. When you click it, a drop-down panel opens, showing options like New Tab, History, and Settings. This tells you that you are in the main Firefox menu where all the tools live. From here, click Add-ons and Themes. Firefox opens a new tab for managing what it calls add-ons. You should now see a page with a sidebar on the left and cards or rows of different tools on the right. In that sidebar, click Extensions. The main area now lists all the extensions installed in your browser, each usually with a name, an icon, and a small description. Find the extension that is not working. Look closely at its control on the right side. There is usually a switch that can be on or off. Make sure the extension is enabled. When it is enabled, the switch is colored and moved to the right, and the row often looks fully active, not grayed out. If it looks disabled, click the switch once to turn it on. As soon as you enable it, Firefox activates that extension without any extra apply button. A helpful tip here, if you see the word remove but not enable, it means the extension is already installed and can be switched on and off without reinstalling. Once the extension is enabled, its icon may appear next to the address bar or in the extensions button, which looks like a puzzle piece. Now that you have confirmed it is enabled, the next step is to restart Firefox. Close Firefox completely. That means close every Firefox window, not just the tab you are watching. On most systems, the taskbar or dock should no longer show an active highlight under the Firefox icon once it is fully closed. After all Firefox windows are closed, open Firefox again from your usual shortcut or start menu. When Firefox opens, your home page or your previous session tabs should appear, and the extension should load fresh in the background. Now test the extension. Click its icon if it has one, or use it on a page where you know it normally does something, like blocking content or filling forms. If everything worked, the extension now responds, shows its usual pop-up, or affects the page as expected. A quick insight, many Firefox extensions only fully reset on a restart, so even if you just enabled it, this fresh start often clears glitches. By following these steps, you check that your Firefox extension is enabled, and restarted the browser so it can run correctly again. If this helped you get your extension working, a quick thumbs up helps others find the fix, and you can subscribe if you want more simple browser tips.